In this lesson, we're gonna finish this screen, this intro screen. But I would like to ask you for something. Please don't type the code with me. Please just watch this video, and after this video is end, write the code with your own. So in this video, just watch. So we're gonna go to the code. We're gonna delete the image and leave only the SVG logo. And let's remove this image here. We're gonna give this view styling. So style equals to styles dot container. And we're gonna initialize the container down here. Inside the container, we're gonna add those styling. The background color, we want to make it white. And Felix is gonna be 1 to fill all the screen. And we want to center our things, so we're gonna make justify content center and align items center as well, to center all things inside our screen. Now we are done with our food logo. What about this logo here? You remember the lesson before that I have compared between PNG and SVG. We're gonna use here also SVG instead of PNG. So let's press on it and press right click and press on copy as SVG. And go to our SVG viewer website and just paste the code here. Now here's our image here. We're gonna select React Native to get the code as React Native. And we're gonna press copy. And go to our code editor, and inside our src assets, we're gonna create a new file. Let's name it sun image. I don't know, it's a circle, or you can pick a good name, but I just name it as sun. Okay, sunimage.tsx. And I'm gonna just paste the code here and replace this SVG component with sun image. Replace it here and at the top here also. And for TypeScript, just add the type for this icon. We're gonna make it SVG props. You can import this SVG props from React Native SVG. And just remove this line here and this line here also, to give those read warnings. You can leave them. You can leave them. And things is gonna work okay. This is just TypeScript issues, okay? And now let's go here to our intro screen and render our sun. After food logo here, we're gonna render the sun image. But because we've centered all things, he's gonna be in the middle. And we want to make it here at the down right here as the design. So to do this, we're gonna use the absolute position. Remember it? So we're gonna just go to this sun image and give it style equals to styles dot, let's name it sun image. And go down here and declare this sun image style. The first thing, the position is gonna be absolute. Okay? Then the bottom is gonna be 0 because we want to make it at the bottom here. And also the right is gonna be 0. So right is gonna be also 0 to be like this. Now here's the screen in Figma design, and here's the screen inside our React Native app. Let's try to test it on Android as well. So let's go to terminal and go to Metro and press A to run our app inside Android device. And now here's our screen in Android. Here's Android, looks good, and in iOS looks good as well.